This is how I made a voice trolling using Voice Changer and SoundBoard in GTA.
Hello, my precious little ravioli.
Who is speaking?
Beware mortals, for I am the specter of the night, haunting these halls with whispers from the beyond.
To get started, you need to download and install HitPaw Voice Changer. You can find the download link in the description below. Then select the appropriate microphone and speaker sources on setting. Choose a desired voice.
Hello.
Then go to SoundBoard interface, and there are different kinds of sound effects. You can add keybind for desired sound effect. And now go to GTA voice setting, select HitPaw Virtual Audio as voice chat input device.
Let's play a little game.